We welcome two members from the Student Council Academic and Career Planning Committee with this week's Spotlight Career Cluster in Occupation.
This week's career cluster is manufacturing, and the spotlight job is coin vending and amusement machine service and repair.
Coin vending and amusement machine services and repair workers fill machines with products such as money or ingredients, and they also replace parts on machines. They also determine the cause of a malfunction and fix minor problems on machines.
How much will I make as a coin vending and amusement machine service and repair worker?
On average, they make $24,000 to $36,000 per year.
How much education will I need?
You do not need a degree in this field, but working in the field for a year to gain experience is beneficial.
What kind of skills and abilities do I need?
You need to be good at repairing, finger dexterity, and equipment maintenance.